Hey guys, today we're looking at Truck Bed by Hardy. Pretty simple tune. It's actually more of a rock tune. It sounds like Nirvana in the beginning. The guy even looks a bit grunge in his picture here. But you're gonna start off with this clean chorusy lick, and I'll walk you through that. And then there's some distorted stuff at the end that we can go through, and I'll just kind of break it down for you and play through the riff slowly. Starting off here with a little D power chord. So we're gonna go 5 to 7 and slide this off casually. And then go to a B flat chord, 1 and 3, sliding to 5. So, and then we just drop right down to 3. And then again, and then walk on up. Very much reminds me of Come As You Are by Nirvana. Once you get here, you're going to do the same thing again. And then we're going to do this little slidey riff. 3 to 5 to 7 and back to 5. So we're going to go hammer on, slide, and then another hammer. Now, if you want to get fancy, there's 2 guitars going on here. The other one is going to be this little... There's a couple times in the song where he skips the high one, so I'm not sure if it's an overdub or the same guitar. I'm guessing it's a overdub thing. But that's the harmony, 2 to 5 to 7 to 5 on the G string. But you can also fake this by playing hammer-ons like this. So I'm starting off with 3 and 2, which is the beginnings of an F chord there, and then I'm going to go to 5 and 5, 7 and 7. I'm just using my pinky to tap those on, slide them, and do that hammer again. And that is how you can fake the 2 guitar thing. Now, let me walk you through that whole riff kind of slowly, and you can kind of follow along a couple times. Alright, so the only other part you have to worry about in this song is the little distortion part toward the end, which is played 4 times and it just changes up the endings of each loop a little bit. So we're going to start off with the top 3 strings open and a harmonic on the 7th fret of the G string. So, and then we go 8 to 3, just smashing those top 3 strings down. There's a little whammy bar riff, but I don't have a whammy bar, so I do it with slides. I'm going to go 3 to 5 to 3. And then 5 to 8 to 5. Now, if you had a bar, you could just do this on the D string. Just 0, 3, and 5. You dive here and come back up. And we go like wah, 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 wah. So I just do it with slides to kind of as a workaround for fixed bridge guitars. And if you're a beginner, you might have an easier time getting the notes right this way anyway. The second time around, we do the same riff again. This time we have a little, so this is a little D minor pentatonic thing right here. We're going to walk down 2, 5, 3 to 5, or A, G, F to D. And then we're going to repeat again. First ending. Repeat again. And this time we do a little more complex thing. We go. And And that is the same notes again with the D minor pentatonic, but he does this little sequence backwards. 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. It was like descending threes. And then, if you've never done that with pentatonics before, your guitar teacher should show you. It's like just one of those good little exercises you can play. I'm gonna do this one again, and then the last one. Stop right there on the F chord, and that resolves. This is like the minor. It just kind of ends on the major. The whole song's kind of like, it's got a happy vibe, so it just kind of ends on the F major thing there, and rings out. So that's about it for this song, guys. I'll play that last riff for you again slowly, so you can kind of just follow along. That's about it for this song, guys. If you want more lessons, don't forget to subscribe and come back. This is a pretty eclectic channel. I post little shorts with licks all the time. You can practice for speed and stuff, some songs. I like to mix it up with some acoustic, some electric, and I'm just all over the map. So join me again, and thanks for watching.